Hello everyone, welcome to Homely Affaire. Today, let's make something truly divine, homemade ghee, or as we call it in Marathi, Shudhha Gayiche Tup. I got this store bought organic and unsalted cow butter, and it was about 2 pounds, which is, I guess, 900 grams. And we start by unwrapping all those butter slabs and place them into a thick bottom pan. Switch on the flame and watch as the butter begins melting. Speaking of butter and tradition, my mom collects milk solids every day and stores them and make ghee out of it. I totally enjoy that homemade goodness. I guess that is what inspired me to share this with you today. Soon all the butter will melt and you will notice it starting to bubble at the top. Lower the flame at this point. You see those milk solids rising to the surface? We are getting closer. Observe that color changing to a richer yellow and the butter slowly turning transparent. This will take about 20-25 minutes. Be patient. Time to add the secret ingredient 2 to 3 cloves. They make the ghee smell good and add a granular texture that I truly love. It's becoming entirely transparent with fewer milk solids on the surface. At this critical point, switch off the flame. Keep an eye on the edges. They might turn brown and we don't want bitter ghee. Adding a teaspoon of water stops the cooking process if you are a bit late. Transfer it to storage jars using a strainer to separate those milk solids, which we fondly call berry in Marathi. This berry tastes amazing with sugar or jaggery. Look at that liquid gold. I transferred it to these two jars, each about 500 grams. After it cools down, you will notice that delightful granular texture, which is, I guess, is the hallmark of good ghee. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for joining me here. Do hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking!